say 2 years ago or more, I would show you a cute kitten because I know that your brain is going to make it so you'll be more generous and you'll give better feedback. But also, yesterday Henrik said that we need to quote famous people, and actually we need to keep the trend. So now famous cute kittens maybe are not trendy enough. So I'm going to quote the most famous guy today, ChatGPT-1. And here is the quote. I asked him, what should I talk about? And he, I don't know if it's he or she, anyway, said the following. What you need to talk about is about domain-driven design and how it's applied to, in terms of agility in different industries. This is the right thing, so this is what I'm going to talk about, really. The stuff here is where it was wrong, or he or she, I don't know. So I'm not going to talk about software solutions, etc. So if some of you are thinking this stuff, sorry about it. Also, I think it was the icon on the session was technical, it's not. But definitely I'm influenced by domain-driven design. And why so? Because actually, maybe you have seen this kind of picture, we have complexity, technical and business. What happens in real life and also in our agile business or agile area world life is the following. We usually are here. We don't have that much complexity in terms of, I don't know, implementing Scrum or doing daily stand-ups, right? At some point, even the complexity is getting lower because we get used to stuff. But the complexity on the business domain side is always growing, is always getting higher. And that's the problem. When we go to an industry, to a company, and we want to work with them to help them improve and heal better or faster breast cancer, actually we need to focus on this stuff here. And here is the problem. So this is domain-driven design. Maybe a few more points. First, we have to model the domain. So we need to define, okay, what we're going to do in this domain, because we can do many stuff. Second thing is we need to understand we need some boundaries. Where are we going to operate? What is the context that we're going to work in? We need to build a ubiquitous language, so all of us, in terms of this context, we need to talk the same language. Also, to build, let's say, to create some aggregates, which are, let's say, the main objects that we're going to work with. So, this is the domain-driven design theory.